Good morning. So to start off our day, we're going to go ahead and review all of the months of the year. So the first month, we started January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, say it with me now, please. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, so today is Monday. So if today is Monday, then yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. We are in the month of October now. So we know, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. What's going to come next? 5. So today is Monday, October 5th. So I know last week we kind of missed doing some of these skills. So today is actually the 19th day that we have been in school. So let's find 19. All right, so with it being the 19th day, let's look at our number 19. If I look at my tens, I see I have 1 10. And how many ones do I need to take out? 9. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I've represented the number 19 in our base 10 blocks, which is how many days we've been in school so far. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.